Hello everyone. Here the question says a caesium photocell. It is a caesium photocell with a steady potential difference. It has a steady potential difference that is 60 volt across is illuminated by a bright point source. So this is going to be cell. Let us consider this is going to be the cell. This is going to be the cathode. This is going to be the cathode, and this is going to be the anode. Okay, this is going to be the anode, and this is going to C shape is called the cathode. So when light illuminated in this point, so with the intensity I, so it emits some electrons. We know that very well, right? We know that very well. Okay, it emits some electron to the anode, so that current gets flow. The flow of electron. So if the flow of electron in this direction, then the flow of current is going to be in this direction. The current I will be writing is small I is going to be in this direction, opposite directions. From anode to the cathode. The current is going to be moved with the anode to the cathode. And yes, so if the distance between the light, so here the light is going to be present. I am just changing the color right now. So this is going to be the source. So this is going to be away 0.5 meter away, that is 50 centimeter. They are told that light is 50 centimeter away. When the same light is placed away, yes, the same light is going to be placed away. In this first condition, I am just changing the color to show the differentiation of the second condition. So this is the second condition 2. The condition number 2, this is the distance between this is going to be 1 meter. Okay, so what is the option? Let us look at the option after understanding the question. So, or 1/4 of sorry 1 meter away, the photo electrons emitted from the cell. So when it is 1 meter away, when the yellow color, okay, away, the number of electrons which is emitted is equal to the question mark. This is the question actually. 1/4 as numerous. So 1/4 means is 1/4. We know that 1/4. When you divide 1 divided by 4 is going to be 0.25. And half of the numerous. So half is equal to 0.5. What is this? Array. What is this? Not working. Okay, 0.5. Each carries 1/4 of their previous momentum. So momentum is going to be 1/4, 1/4, that is 0.5 here. Here the number of electrons is going to be number of electrons. I will be writing as NE. Number of N represents number, E number of E electrons. So this is also going to be the number of electrons, the first two, and next is going to be momentum, and the 1/4 of the previous energy. This is going to be the energy. Line by line we can able to solve this question. Okay, I'm just changing the color to blue, not blue. I've just already used the blue. I'm just changing the pink. Okay, so we know that first situation, the number of electron emitted. So intensity. So whenever draw a graph between the intensity I am writing as I intensity of light, and the number of electrons emitted is going to be straight. It means I is the intensity of the light is directly proportional to the number of electrons emitted by the that. Yes, this is going to be the cathode. By the cathode, the cathode is made up of calcium. Okay. Now, the same intensity is going to be inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the light source and where the light need to be reached. Okay. So this is going to be the thing. So we can able to write these two as directly proportional with the help of intensity, right? So this is the first concept. So I'm just using this concept. With the help of this concept, I'm going to write here where just follow the mouse point, where the mouse point is actually writing the answer. So the number of electrons present in the first situation is by the number of electrons in the second situation. The number of electrons is inversely proportional to square of the distance between the light source and the cathode. Okay, in the first situation, what is the distance between them? So let the first situation, the number of electron emitted will be n1. In the second situation, I am just changing the color so that I am just differentiating these two things. Yes, n2. Okay, n1 by n2, here I have written n1 by n2. So this is inversely proportional to the distance between them. n1, the distance is 0.5. So 0.5 square, and then n2 is 1 meter, 1 meter square. 1 meter, it means 1 square. And just continuing, this is which implies n1 0.25 is equal to n2. Okay, in the n2, yes, here we have written here, right? 1 by 4 is equal to 0.2. Okay, the number of electron emitted is 1 by 4 of the first situation. In the second situation, the number of electron which is going to be emitted is going to be 1 by 4th of first. This from this equation, I am just making a box there where the mouse point is exactly located. So option A is the first option is the correct answer for this question.